2026, the new Toyota HiAce VIP edition stands as a true symbol of business-class luxury and executive mobility. This isn't just a van. It's Toyota's statement that practicality and prestige can exist in one seamless design. The first impression alone tells you this vehicle means business. A bold front fascia, sharp LED headlights, and a sculpted chrome grille that glimmers under the showroom lights. Every curve, every line has been designed with intent to elevate what a HiAce can be in the modern luxury transport segment. As the camera pans around, the sheer attention to exterior detailing becomes evident. The two-tone metallic paint finish, polished 19-inch alloy wheels, and tinted privacy glass exude sophistication. The side profile carries a sense of command, with a long, aerodynamic body that blends strength with elegance. The chrome door handles and seamless body lines complete the executive aura, while subtle VIP badging on the rear doors reminds you that this isn't an ordinary HiAce. The power sliding doors open silently, revealing an interior that could rival a private jet cabin. Inside, the transformation is nothing short of remarkable. The HiAce VIP welcomes you with a soft ambient glow of golden lighting, highlighting the leather-crafted surfaces and wooden trims that wrap the cabin. The seats are pure luxury, reclinable, ventilated, and fully adjustable captain chairs with footrests. Each seat features built-in massage, functionality, and touchscreen controls for comfort, lighting, and entertainment. Between them, a polished console holds a mini fridge, wireless charging docks, and concealed cup holders that emerge with a soft press. The cabin insulation is world-class, shutting out external noise entirely. As you drive, the only sounds you hear are the gentle hum of the engine and your playlist playing through the premium JBL sound system. Overhead, the panoramic LED ceiling displays soft light animations that mimic a night sky, giving passengers a feeling of tranquility during long journeys. The VIP cabin also includes retractable privacy blinds, an integrated 32-inch entertainment screen, and 5G internet connectivity, transforming it into a true moving lounge or business suite. Behind the wheel, the 2026 Toyota HiAce VIP continues to impress with its refined driving experience. Powered by a new hybrid V6 engine, it delivers exceptional torque with silent performance, paired with Toyota's latest smooth-shifting automatic transmission. The steering is responsive yet soft, giving you that luxury glide feel even on uneven terrain. Every turn feels confident, every stop perfectly balanced. Advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, lane keep assist, and auto braking make the experience effortless and secure. In motion, the HiAce feels more like a luxury sedan than a large van. The suspension system has been tuned for supreme comfort, absorbing every bump with ease. Whether chauffeuring executives or transporting VIP guests, it maintains a level of elegance and calm unmatched in its class. Toyota's engineers clearly focused on refinement and passenger serenity, ensuring the VIP edition delivers a genuinely premium travel experience. As the video approaches its conclusion, the HiAce VIP stands under the showroom lights, polished, proud, and perfectly composed. It's not just transportation. It's a statement piece for those who value both function and finesse. In 2026, Toyota has redefined what luxury mobility can be: practical, powerful, and prestigiously personal. The 2026 Toyota HiAce VIP isn't just a van, it's the ultimate expression of executive comfort on wheels, the kind of vehicle that turns every journey into an experience worth remembering. As the power sliding doors glide, open silently, the scene transitions into the interior, and instantly, it feels like stepping inside a private jet cabin on wheels. The soft golden ambient lighting welcomes you, spreading a calm glow across the leather surfaces. Every seat is a throne, finished in diamond-stitched nappa, leather with electric recline, ventilation, and built-in massage functions. The moment you sit, the cabin isolates the outside world completely. The doors close with a gentle thud, and silence takes over. In the center, a polished console divides the two VIP seats. It hides a chilled mini fridge, wireless charging pads, and a sleek touchscreen control panel. With just a tap, you can adjust seat position, lighting color, or even deploy a hidden 32-inch smart display that rises quietly from the front panel. Above, the ceiling is lined with LED light strips that simulate stars at night, giving passengers a serene sense of motionless luxury, even while traveling at high speed. Every inch of the cabin reflects craftsmanship, from the wood grain inserts that flow across the doors to the soft suede roof lining that absorbs sound. Each detail has been placed to make long journeys effortless and deeply comfortable. The built-in 5G Wi-Fi keeps you connected, while the JBL Premium Surround Sound transforms the cabin into a studio-grade entertainment zone. There's also a voice-activated assistant that lets you control everything, from climate to blinds, with simple commands. The view from the driver's seat reveals how technology and elegance merge perfectly. The dashboard is fully digital, wrapped in soft touch materials, and equipped with a floating infotainment screen that connects seamlessly to both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The steering wheel feels sculpted precisely for long-hour comfort, and the digital cluster provides a clean, futuristic layout showing hybrid power flow, range, and driving modes. Underneath all that luxury is Toyota's advanced hybrid V6 powertrain, a system that delivers smooth, silent torque with impressive efficiency. Acceleration feels effortless, almost silent, and the new adaptive suspension system adjusts instantly to road conditions, ensuring that every ride feels like gliding on air. Even at highway speeds, the HiAce VIP remains steady and whisper quiet, with almost no vibration. The drive assistance suite is equally refined. Adaptive cruise control, 360-degree surround cameras, lane keep assist, and automatic braking create a feeling of complete safety and control. Every turn, every stop feels calculated and graceful. It's not a van you drive, it's an experience you glide through. As the camera moves outside again, the HiAce VIP stands in the center of the luxury showroom, glowing under golden reflections. The name Toyota HiAce VIP 2026 is displayed on the wall behind, emphasizing its royal presence. It's more than transportation. It's a royal executive suite, a personal retreat, and a status symbol all in one. The 2026 Toyota HiAce VIP is built for those who travel not just to reach destinations, but to experience the journey itself in pure elegance. Every detail, from its whisper-quiet cabin